Welcome to YoForex Premium. Today we're introducing the Forex Quant EA V2.0 MT4, a smart, data-driven expert advisor built for accuracy and stability. This EA uses advanced quant-based algorithms to analyze price movements, manage risk efficiently, and deliver consistent profits in all market conditions. After downloading, you'll find the EA file, installation guide, and a quick README note. Just copy the EA into your MetaTrader 4 Experts folder, restart MT4, and drag Forex Quant EA V2.0 onto your chart. That's it. Your setup is ready for testing or live trading. Here we're running the EA on the GBPUSD M5 chart, using every tick mode for the most accurate simulation. As the test begins, you can see Forex Quant EA V2.0 automatically placing orders with precision, following structured logic and tight risk control. The system handles both trending and ranging markets smoothly without using any martingale or grid strategy. During the backtest, an initial balance of $10,000 achieved a profit of around $541, with a profit factor of 1.76 and drawdown under 3.5%. The EA executed more than 70 trades, maintaining a clean, upward equity curve, proving its strong consistency and reliability in volatile markets. Every trade is calculated, controlled, and optimized for stability. A perfect fit for disciplined traders. Forex Quant EA V2.0 MT4 is now available for instant download at YoForex.org, including the set file and user manual. The original price was $777, but now it's available for only $70 USD. Join our YoForex Premium Telegram channel for updates, support, and access to more exclusive trading bots. Trade smart, trade confidently, only with YoForex Premium.